So this is Hatcham Road development in South East London. It's a development of 86 individual properties utilising the HIU and the ideal commercial heating products. So working closely with our social housing team, we've installed two Imax Xtra 2 commercial boilers in a cascade setup, feeding into 86 pod HIUs. The installation was undertaken by SJD Mechanical Services. The Imax Xtra 2 boilers in the central plant room supply a buffer vessel which then provides, via the pumps, instantaneous heating and hot water to the individual pod HIUs which are situated in each individual property. We supplied them with first fix kits, meaning they could fit the pipework and get it all tested before we supplied any HIUs to site.
So I've been working with Ideals for 10 years now with boilers and now moving into HIUs. Working with Ideals on this scheme has run really smoothly and the backup and service has been second to none.
With a centralised plant, you only need one visit per year for a gas certificate. Individual properties don't need to be given access. Metering is done individually, so people are only paying for the usage that they're using. Another benefit is Ideal are a single point of contact for the whole heating system. For more information on the pod HIUs or Imax Xtra 2 commercial boilers, please visit our website or contact your local Ideal Heating commercial sales manager.